In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. It's a nice and simple one to fix, so let's just jump straight into it. First thing we're going to do is clear the Roblox cache, as these files can get corrupt and it can cause game errors like the 403 message. Start by closing down the Roblox app and come to the task manager on your computer by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, or you can come to the start menu and just search for task manager. Inside of this window, at the top in this search feature, you want to search for the word Roblox. Then all we need to do is right click on any instances of Roblox and select End Task. Now close out of this window and head back to the start menu, and now you want to search for Run and then hit the Run icon. In this search box, search for %app data %, and then hit Enter. At the top here, you want to click App Data to go back one folder. Come inside of Local and then scroll down until you find the Roblox folder. Then we can simply right click it and hit the trash icon to delete it. Don't worry about deleting these files, as they are automatically recreated every time you launch the app. Then we can come back to the start menu and this time search for Settings. Tap the settings icon and come inside Network and Internet. Head over to VPN, and inside of here you want to make sure that your VPN is disabled, not connected. Then head over to an internet browser and you want to load up Roblox. Once we're on the Roblox homepage, come into Discover to head into an experience, and then you just want to go ahead and try and join an experience. It will tell you that you need to re-download the game, so just follow the steps in the Roblox client to re-download it. This will only take a couple of minutes, and once it's downloaded, your game should now be working. However, if you still are getting the error message, then move on to the next step. In this method, we are going to switch to Google's DNS servers to help improve the stability of your connection, as this can sometimes also cause the 403 message. Come into the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Tap on the Control Panel icon and make sure View By is set to Category. And then we can come into where it says View Network Status and Tasks. Head over to Change Adapter Settings, and you want to locate the network that you're currently using. So for me, this is this one here, and right click and come into Properties. Then find in this list here where it says Internet Protocol version 4, head into Properties, and at the bottom you'll see at the moment it's selected Obtain DNS server address automatically. We want to change this to use the following DNS server addresses, and you're going to type in 8888 and 8844. And then we can select OK. Then lastly, before we launch up the Roblox one more time, let's check just to make sure our firewall settings is not blocking our connection to the Roblox server. So close out of these windows and head to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Tap on the Windows Defender icon. On the left hand side where it says Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender, click this. You need to hit Change Settings here before we can make any changes. And scroll down to see if you have Roblox located in this list. If you do have Roblox in here, then make sure both private and public are checked. But if it's not showing like mine, then what you need to do is come into Allow Another App, and then you want to select Browse, and you want to find the Roblox player. If you're not sure where that's located, there's a simple way to find out. Just come back off this for a second and come to your desktop, find the Roblox player on your desktop and right click it and select Open File Location. Then we can just come to the top here and we want to copy all of this bit. Then come back into Windows Defender, come into Allow Another App, into Browse, and then we can just paste everything we copied in the top up here. Hit Enter, and if we scroll down, we want to select Roblox Player Beta and select Open, and then Add. And as you can see, our Roblox game client has been added to this, and you just want to make sure both private and public are ticked, and then we can just press OK. Now, by following all of these steps, your issues should be solved. Please let us know in the comments what solution worked for you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.